Hello friends! Welcome to another Resolved tutorial video. In this video, I will explain a tool that allows you to view general information and the current sound level for all active audio components on your Windows system using the free Sound Volume View program. It also enables you to mute and unmute them instantly. Sound Volume View is a free software that you can use freely at home or in your company. This software works on computers running Windows, making it one of the best applications you can use on your computer. Sound Volume View allows you to save a sound profile to a file, including the current sound level, mute-unmute status of all audio components, in addition to the default audio devices. You can later load the same file to restore the exact same sound levels and settings. It's a small utility that is easy to use. Let's get started right away. Go to the Google search engine and type Nearsoft Sound Volume View to find the software. Visit the nearsoft.net website from the search results and download the free Sound Volume View program. The links related to the content mentioned in this video can be found in the description below the YouTube video. The first thing you need to do is download the correct version. I'm using a Windows 64-bit computer, so I will click on the Windows 64-bit version. It's essential to download the version suitable for your operating system if you are using a different one. Sound Volume View also supports other languages. After downloading the program, extract it from the zipped file and open it by double-clicking. That's it. On the displayed screen, you can view general information and the current sound level for all active audio components on your Windows system and mute-unmute them instantly. I'm leaving the link to download the program for free in the description of this video. Don't forget to like the video if it was helpful. Subscribe to my Resolved channel for more informative and tutorial videos. Thank you very much for watching.